Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a jellyfish out of rope or string. Okay, be sure to subscribe and like this video. Alright, now let's get started. First, you're going to need any optional color of string. I'm going to be using yellow. Next, you're going to be using white. You're going to need scissors and a hot glue gun. Okay, now let's get started. First, you're going to get your white string and you're going to wrap it around your hand. So open up your hand, put the string, and start going over it with your hand. Okay, after it's gonna look like this. Not too big, not too small. So this is where we're gonna stop. Next, you're going to take it off your hand and put it down. Cut the rope and put it on top of the circle. Next, you're going to cut a piece of rope, put it under this ball of rope that we made, and you're going to tie it right in the middle. Make sure to tie it really good so it won't untie. And next, you're going to cut off the rope. It's gonna look like this. Next, you're going to cut it under the holes in between them, like that. Do that on the other side. It's gonna look like this. Now, you're going to cut it neatly all around. Alright guys, it's gonna look like this. It might look just like a ball, a huge fluff ball, but we're not done yet. Let's move all of this aside. We're not gonna need that anymore. Now that we have the ball, we're going to get our optional color string, and I'm going to use this fluffy white string, and you're going to cut lots of pieces of it. Okay? Alright guys, I ended up with this much strings. I decided to make lots of different sizes and lots of them, so a bunch of them, because they're going to be the strings coming out of your pom-pom. Okay, now this is where our hot glue comes. We're going to glue all of them to the pom-pom. So let's go. Alright, that's it. Got a little messy, but that's what's fun about it. Alright. This is how it looks like. Oh, missed one. There. Here is the jellyfish. I glued all of them together. As you can see, some of them are different sizes. Some of them are shorter, some of them are longer. But I think it looks good. Now, if you want to be creative, you could even get some beads, maybe even some googly eyes, and you can even put them on your jellyfish. That's what I'm gonna do. So, let's put them on. That. Same thing there. Now it looks like a jellyfish that has eyes. See? Okay. That's it. This is the jellyfish in the ocean with colorful tentacles in finish. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is the cute jellyfish out of string, and hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye!